Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's paint something today. But before starting the drawing, oh, it's already started. Okay, sorry. I just wanted to share one thing that with you guys, because I was not posting any videos from 2 to 3 weeks. I guess it's a 4 week. I mean, it's kind of month now. The reason why, because my camera battery is fully dead and I'm charging my camera battery, but it's not working. I don't know what is happening, so I have to buy a new battery. But because of this coronavirus thing, I am not able to get anything. I have to buy a couple of things for my camera, which I am not able to buy. And Amazon is also not not shipping anything, and I am not allowed to go out. But so I have decided, so I was thinking, so what to do. So I have decided to record the video through my mobile, and that's why the quality is very low right now for my video. I was thinking, if the shops are open for just for one day, I'll go and buy all the things which I wanted, because I have a list that I wanted to buy a few things. So, and I hope you guys will like, and I hope you guys will understand that what I am doing in the video. So please be patient till I'll figure out the way for my camera and what to do. So I hope you guys will stick with me till I get a new battery for my camera. And but I'm not going to stop recording video. So I have decided to record few videos through my phone. I have planned few things for that. So, and I'm posting the same video on my IGTV also, so you can check out my Instagram. I'll post the link down somewhere. And I hope you guys are safe, and please take care of yourself, because this situation is very bad right now, and you already know what is happening in the world. So I just wanted to tell you that why my video quality is very low right now. This is the reason that my video quality is very low right now, because I'm shooting this video through my phone. Well, I hope you guys will understand and stick with me. And now I'm not able to understand. I'm not understanding what I'm saying, so I don't want to bore you guys, and you just enjoy the illustration, and I'll see you in my next video. So thank you. And I forgot something. I just wanted to thank you for those people who are subscribing me right now. When I was not posting, but still some few people were subscribing me, so thank you so much for subscribing me. And I'm very happy that you guys are subscribed, and I hope you guys will like this video. Because I'm facing this problem, that's why I'm shooting this with my phone. But I hope you guys will understand this, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye bye.